Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLA 45 AMG. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 375 horsepower and 350 pounds torque. This one comes with 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels, AMG Dynamic Plus package with AMG ride control, sport suspension with stage 2 electronic adjustments, a top speed of 167 miles per hour, AMG limited slip front differential, race mode, turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, nut brown leather interior with a satin brown poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, AMG GLA 45 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of AMG floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, cargo cover, driver's assistance package with active driver's distance assistance, lane keeping assist, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, multimedia package with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, garage door openers, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, adjustment suspension, dual climate controls, automatic transmissions, dynamic selects for different driving modes. This one does have the race mode, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA 45 has 8,310 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 45 AMG, visit us at feldmanimports.com.